Breastfeeding and pumping can feel overwhelming, especially for new moms who are trying to do what's best for their baby while also managing daily responsibilities. If you've ever wondered how to balance breastfeeding and pumping without stress, this video is for you. Breastfeeding provides comfort, bonding, and essential nutrition for your baby, while pumping offers flexibility and freedom. The key to balancing both is understanding your routine and your baby's needs. Many moms choose to breastfeed directly when they are with their baby and pump when they need to be away, resting, or returning to work. One of the best ways to start is by establishing breastfeeding first. In the early weeks after birth, focus on helping your baby latch well and feed effectively. Once breastfeeding feels comfortable and your milk supply is established, usually after a few weeks, you can slowly introduce pumping. Creating a simple pumping schedule can make a big difference. Try pumping after a breastfeeding session or between feeds when your breasts feel full. This helps maintain milk supply while building a small freezer stash. Even pumping once a day can be helpful and reduce pressure later on. Listening to your body is very important. If you feel overly tired or stressed, adjust your schedule. Balancing breastfeeding and pumping should support your well-being, not drain you. Staying hydrated, eating nourishing foods, and getting rest whenever possible will help keep your milk supply steady. Storage is another essential part of pumping. Always store expressed breast milk in clean containers, label it with the date, and follow safe storage guidelines. Having milk ready gives peace of mind and allows caregivers to help with feeding. For working moms, pumping at regular intervals during work hours is key. Try to pump around the same time your baby would normally feed. This keeps your supply consistent and prevents discomfort. Wearing comfortable clothing and finding a quiet space can make pumping easier. Remember, every mother's journey is different. Some days you may breastfeed more, while other days you may rely more on pumping, and that's perfectly okay. What matters most is that your baby is fed, loved, and cared for, and that you feel confident in your choices. Balancing breastfeeding and pumping takes time and patience, but with a flexible routine and self-care, it becomes manageable. Trust yourself, take it one step at a time, and know that you're doing an amazing job for your baby.